So next we are going to create the bar for the belt buckle, okay? To create the bar, refer to the belt buckle specs. To do so, I'm going to come over here to this rectangle tool, click on one to select. Then I'm going to click one on the page to bring this create rectangle window. And I'm going to, once again, guys, refer to the belt buckle spec. We supposed to create the width is 0.6 centimeter. Next, I'm going to press down the tab key and we want the height to be 3.6. Next, I'm going to come down here, click on OK to confirm. So if you guys wonder how I get the height of 3.6, let me show you. I just come over here to this edit pattern tool, click on it. Then I just click on this length right here. You see that's the height that we want, 3.6. So the height right here, 3.6, is exactly the height from this belt frame right here, okay?
Hi, I'm Rose Willie from encoderfashion. There is more information under this video. Bye!